I welcome you all. In the previous class, I have explained about the different industrial dryers and then the tray dryer and the drum dryer in a elaborate manner. In this class, I am going to explain about the fluidized bed dryer. This is very important industrial dryer, particularly in the chemical processing industries. Now, I will tell you the deep about fluidized bed dryer. Before entering into the fluidized bed dryer, you try to understand the difference between the fixed bed and the fluidized bed. Fixed bed. What is fixed bed? Whenever the fluid is flowing against the packing material, the bed that becomes stationary, the packing material that becomes stationary, the packing material does not move along with the fluid. That is called as fixed bed. In the case of fluidized bed, when the fluid is moving, the particles are can move along with the fluid. That is called as fluidized bed. By understanding this concept between the fixed bed and the fluidized bed is very important to understand about the fluidized bed dryer. Now, I will explain you about the fluidized bed dryer. Fluidized bed dryer consists of a steel shell of cylindrical or rectangular cross section. Again, I am telling you that this is cylindrical or rectangular cross section. A grid is provided in the column over which the material is rest. In this type of dryer, the drying gas is passed through the bed of solids at a velocity sufficient to keep the bed in the fluidized state. It is very important. By keeping the velocity only, we can fluidize the material which is packed in the fluidized bed. Mixing and heat transfer are very rapid in these types of dryers. The dryer can be operated in batch or continuous mode. Fluidized bed dryer are suitable for granular and crystalline materials. If the fine particles are present, either from the feed or from particle leakage in the fluidized bed, there may be considerable solid conveyor with the exit gas and back filters are needed for fines recovery. The main advantage of this type of dryers are rapid and uniform heat transfer, short drying time, good control of the drying conditions. In the case of rectangular fluidized bed dryer, separate fluidized compartments are provided through which the solid moves in sequence from inlet to outlet. Again, I am repeating you that in the case of rectangular fluidized bed dryer, that is very sophisticated dryer in this case, we can able to separate the fluidized compartments are provided through which the solids moves in sequence from inlet to outlet. These are known as plug flow dryers. This is very important. The fluidized bed dryers are otherwise called as plug flow dryers. Here, the residence time plays a vital role. The residence time is almost the same for all particles in the compartments, but the drying conditions can be changed from one compartment to another compartment, and often the last compartment is fluidized with cold gas to control the solid before discharge. This is all about the fluidized bed dryer. Thank you once again.